welcome to my channel. So we're continuing this series. This is like episode 3, and I'm going to be cutting open. Let's find something. Let's do this one. So it's Secret Labubu Lifufu Zimomo blind bag. Labubu. Alright, let's open it. I'm scared to open it. Wait, what? It won't open. Wait, there's rarities. Red means rare, yellow means common, blue means uncommon, gold means green, surprisingly. Mystery is this thing over here. Yeah. Let's open it. We have, what is this? Wait, what? Look at this thing. Does it have a birth certificate in here? Let me see. I did put all the Labubu's packages and stuff in this ripped up Scotch bag. He is gold. He's gold? But he's... Oh! He has a little bit of gold in him. He's matcha bubble gum. He's gold. He's Lafufu. Okay, let me put him back and I'll tape him back up because yes, the gift keeps on giving. Wait, what? The super tube nuts. Super tube nuts. We are gonna open one more. We're gonna open this one. It's Thai minifig blind bag. There is rarities, so let's open this. I'm try to open it like that. It won't open like this. Yeah, let's just try this. It still won't open. Wait, what? I'm gonna have to cut through here like this. I just cut the minifig up. Okay, that's so cute. It's supposed to be a Beanie Boo, but I accidentally cut his head. I got the mystery! Wait, what? I got the No! Wait, no. Wait, yes.